Hi, my name's Brian Butler. Today, I'd like to show you a method that we use when loading spokes into our X0 hubs, when you're building them into wheels. Our X0 hubs have a very unique flange shape and design, which yields a much stronger and robust wheel set in the end. That flange shape and design requires a slightly different approach when loading spokes into the hubs for wheel building. Let's get started. Load your first spoke on the drive side flange. If you like to build your wheels with the X0 logo aligned and centered with the valve hole on the rim, for 3-cross 32-hole hubs, insert your first spoke aligned just to the left of the SRAM logo on the hub shell. Insert this spoke into the 4th hole to the right of the valve stem. For rear hubs, your first spoke should drop in 2 holes over from the tip of the X on the X0 logo on the hub shell. Just like the front hub, insert this spoke into the 4th hole to the right of the valve stem. With a little bit of pressure on your thumb, flex the spoke inward and your spoke drops in. Repeat 8 times for your drive side flange spokes. And now move to the top flange. Top flange spokes will insert without any interference. Once you have your first 16 spokes loaded into your hub, start installing the nipples onto the spokes. Once you have your first 16 spokes loaded into the wheel, flip it over and start with the other side. Once you flip the wheel, start installing your next set of 8 spokes in this bottom flange. Using the same method, use your thumb, flex just a little bit, and the spoke drops through. 1 or 2 of these holes will be close to a disc tab, so a little bit of extra flexing will be required. Once you get the 8 bottom spokes loaded, you can finish up with your top 8 spokes in the top flange. And then complete lacing your wheel and installing spokes. Once you have your final 16 spokes loaded, you can start installing nipples onto those spokes and finish up lacing your wheel. Once you have your last 16 spokes laced into the wheel, you're ready for final tensioning and truing. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tech tip videos.